Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. I know it's a cold and rainy day here in Northern Kentucky, but it is the perfect day to come out to an open house of the deal of the week in Florence. This is 775 Grace Drive, Florence, Kentucky. It was the asking price was reduced by 11 grand over this last week. We're now at $439,000. This is a beautiful 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 2-car garage, unfinished basement, a completely redone sunroom, sitting on 6/10 of an acre with one of the best backyards you'll find in Florence. Come out today between 1 to 3 for the open house. See Mason Terrell. He's a fine young gentleman on our team. He'd love to show you the home. Or if you have any questions or want this a private showing, reach out to me, 859-393-4879. Or you can drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. Hey, I look forward to talking to you.